Okay, the next rhythm we have is a mix of all three gallop variations. So we got the regular gallop, reverse gallop, drunken gallop, and then a quarter note here. So here we go. Count of 4. 1 and a 2E and 3E, a 4, 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 done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and a 2E, a 4, 1 and a 2E and 3E, 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 a 4, done. 1, 2, 3, 4. Palm muting is optional. You can palm mute if you like. If you'd rather not, that's totally fine. I like the way it sounds at these faster speeds. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. I hit the strings too many times. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, number 2, the palm mute accent pattern. So here, we're going to continue doing the 2 palm mutes, no palm mute, and that's going to happen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, and we're going to be changing chords each bar. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeats. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Theory stuff. I can't remember if I had anything to redo or try. Hang on, let me hang on to the downloads here. I thought there may have been something. Yes, there's a couple things. Yeah, the B Aeolian progression. Another place for chord number 2 see what you come up with for that, and then compare these two, see which one you prefer. And that also happens with D-Ionian, the D-Ionian progression. So chord number 2 again, another place I'm thinking of for that. So go ahead, fill that in, send it over, and compare the two. See which one you prefer, and let me know which ones you prefer. In addition to that, we have... That's the wrong thing. Uh-oh. Oh no, what did I do with it? Did I not save it in your folder? Hang on, there's a new thing to do. Okay, I think I know where it is. Chord theory, 7-string guitar, suspended chords. There we go. So these sound good with or without distortion. I'd still play it without distortion, but just so you can hear it. So here we have the second interval an octave higher, so you could technically say it's the 9. But yeah, we got some big old stretches down here. But some of these, like the suspended flat second, it's way easier to play it like this versus... I can't even do the damn thing. You know, versus that one. So this is a much more finger-friendly option. And then same idea with the B sus flat 2, flat 5. A bit easier than hitting this big old stretch down here. Boy, I'm hitting all kinds of wrong stuff. What the hell am I doing? There we go, that's the stretch. This way's much easier. So yeah, goal here is, you know, play through what's already there, and then you're going to do the same thing starting on the A string. And then same thing starting on the D string. Or sorry, the A string would be next. So yeah, that was the E string, not the A string. You can tell I'm still not used to the 7 string. So yeah, so starting on the E string, then starting on the A string, and then going to the D string. This is where things get kind of odd, because now you have much bigger stretches that you got to do. So yeah, remember, this is really like based off of taking your power chord and then take the octave there and move it up a whole step. So on the higher frets, it's not too bad. Or the open position is not too bad. This sus flat 2 is not too bad either. However, this one, geez. Be careful of that one. That's a stretch that's just very, very impractical. And then same thing with the G sus 2 here. A little bit easier on the A sus 2. Much easier on that one. And then, yeah, starting on the G string, that's the next one. This stretch feels a little bit better to me, because when I do the whole step, it's typically these 3 fingers, but yeah, still a nasty stretch. Oof, this one, yeah, that's just like, just be careful with that. If you can't hold it all the way down, that's fine, just tab it out. This will be an exception to make sure you can always play what you tab out. Because with this, we just want to see how it goes up through the scale. You you could at least do something like that, you know. Anyway, and then the last one. So those are the chords you're going to end up writing out and attempting to play. So, any questions come up, let me know, and I will see you again in your new videos.